Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my channel today. So if you're new here, welcome. This is where we do lots of unboxings, and today we're doing an unboxing that honestly I didn't think I would ever be doing again. Like, I have shocked myself with this one. We are going to be doing an unboxing from Birchbox, you guys. Now, I know what you're thinking, especially my long-term subscribers. You're probably like, wait a second, didn't Birchbox go out of business? Didn't Sydney make a video last year not recommending Birchbox? And the answer is yes, I did. However, I have some new information for you guys, and I'm willing to give them a second chance because things have changed. We're gonna go through all of it for full transparency today. So first and foremost, if you guys are interested in this subscription box, this is a monthly beauty subscription box where they will send you sample and travel sized items. You will receive 5 of those items every single month. There is free shipping on this box. It is $20 a month. However, if you prepay ahead for like a 6-month or a 12-month plan, they'll actually reduce that down. I think if you do a year, it's $17 a month for the box, I think. But if you guys are also interested, I do have a 50% off discount code off of your first box. So you can actually try Birchbox out right now for only $10 right now. But having said that, I do want to be upfront and transparent with you guys. So I'm going to tell you a little bit of the history of Birchbox and the relationship that I've had with this one. So if you're not interested in these facts, you can go ahead and fast forward this video to my unboxing. But I do feel like I need to say a few things about this box and the company and everything that's happened in the last couple of years. So Birchbox was originally one of the first beauty boxes on the market. They came out even before Ipsy was ever created, and they had this great box that everybody started to receive beauty products in. Once Ipsy and BoxyCharm came onto the market, they slipped, and it's mostly because it just got so crowded. There were so many subscription boxes out there of beauty. I think you guys remember even like pre-pandemic, there were a lot of beauty subscription boxes, and Birchbox was no longer the top beauty box at that time. And it was about 2021 that I believe Birchbox sold off its business to another company. So version 1, I believe, was sold in about 2021. It was picked up by another brand. I forget their name. And they took over the membership. They actually did a lot of changes, and I loved it. I was a paying subscriber at the time, and they had these different tiles that you could customize, and it would allow you to receive full-size products. So instead of 5 sample, you could redeem 2 of your samples for a full-size product, and then you'd still get 3 samples along with it. So it was kind of fun because you could mix and match and receive what you wanted. And in October of 2022, I paid for my box, I customized my box, and then Birchbox never sent it. It didn't happen. They just ghosted all of their subscribers. There was no information. There was no discussion. Nobody knew what was going on. And I made a video in May of 2023 explaining you guys should avoid this company because they took my money, they never fulfilled an order, and it was just not a good customer experience. And you guys know I'm gonna be upfront with you. When there's danger, I'm gonna let you know about it. So that is what happened with version 2 with the company that bought Birchbox. Is they stopped fulfilling orders, did not communicate anything. In July of 2023, I actually received my October box from the year prior. So I did receive what I paid for, and I was very grateful that they fulfilled my order. And I believe they fulfilled everyone's orders at that time, but then they went dormant once again. So they got caught up, and then we didn't really hear anything. Fast forward to January 2nd of 2024, this year, I received an email from my point of contact over at Beachly. Now, Beachly is a subscription box that I absolutely love. I don't have any issues with them. I love the box. I love my point of contact. They're easy to work with. They help me when I have questions. If you guys have questions, honestly, they're just fantastic. I've not had any bad experiences with that subscription box team, the box, anything. They contacted me and said they were the new point of contact for Birchbox and Alltrue. And I was like, wait, what? What just happened? Turns out Beachly purchased Birchbox and Alltrue, and they're now all three run by the same parent company. Now, again, I'm not for sure what the business name is. They're not called Beachly Inc. It's the company that owns Beachly bought these other two, and now they're all run by the same team. So my point of contact for Beachly is now the same point of contact I have for Birchbox and Alltrue. So they now own everything. They've revamped the website, started everything over. And because I have such a good relationship with the Beachly team, I'm willing to give them another shot. I'm willing to try it. So Birchbox is now owned by version 3 is what we're going to call it in this video today. So it's all new management, all new structure. They have new products. If you notice, the actual box itself has been rebranded. They have changed the logo up a little bit. They have new items included. The website no longer has the tiles, but you still can customize it as well. And because they're an all-new company and they're trying to start off on the right foot, they're offering 50% off of their first boxes. And that's where you can try this out for only $10 for your first month. So that's what we're going to do today is check out the January 2024 Birchbox. If you'd like to purchase this box, I do have a link down below, and I've also got that 50% off discount code. Like I mentioned, you have 5 sample-sized items inside. They could be travel-sized as well, but there are no full-size products. This is what the all-new Birchbox looks like. So I have a little booklet in here. This is new. So this one says, a few products we love this month. Learn more about your box here. And then it has all of the items listed inside of it. But are these what I got? No. So this booklet, none of these products are inside of my box. So I think they grabbed the wrong booklet, but this is the idea, is you should be getting one that tells you about your items. But this is what it looks like for my products inside. First item that I have is from Vor, and this is their Secrets in the Snow Soft Styling Foam Mousse. We have 30 ml or 1 ounce, so this is a travel size hair care product. This does have a pump up at the top, and it is a mousse, like I said, for your hair. It is going to give you beachy waves, is the idea behind this product. Now, I love this brand. I think it's a great brand. I do like that you get a full ounce, so at least it's not like super small either. Next item that I have is from Korres, and this is their Poreless Skin Cream. This is 0.68 ounces. So I believe this is a deluxe sample size here. It looks like quite a bit of product, honestly. So we've got our cream moisturizer product. This is cruelty-free, and it says that it is going to be a gel-like cream. So it goes down like a gel, but it's going to blend in like a cream and give you that hydration. It does have salicylic acid in it, and it will help to smooth out any pores or texture that you might have. This is a great brand. I will give them that. I also like with this brand that it is safe for sensitive skin too. Now this product, it might be full size, you guys. So Jecca Black makes these highlighting drops that you can use all over. It can be for your face, or you can use them for your body as well. I have had this product, I think from Ipsy before. Maybe it was BoxyCharm. One of the two. And it's small in size, but it actually is a full-size product. So that is why I'm thinking this one might be full size that we have here. So the shade that we have is Rose Pearl Drops. These are cruelty-free and vegan drops that will give you a brightening effect wherever you place them, and it will give you a healthy, natural glow after using it. So you've got quite a bit in here. I mean, honestly, if you think about a highlighter, a little goes a long ways, which is why this tube, I honestly think this is a full-size product because you don't need a lot of it in order to really give yourself a brightening, illuminating effect. Next product that I have in here is from Lock, and this is their Liquid Shimmer Shadow. We have 9 ml or 0.03 ounces. So this is what it looks like for the brand. Definitely just a sample size here. Let me see what this looks like. So I think it's a liquid eyeshadow. And we'll do a quick swatch of this one to see how, oh, it's beautiful. So very soft. It's not clumpy at all. and it goes down. This is your liquid shadow, but you've got a little bit of shimmer in there. So you can actually paint this on your eyelids, let it dry, and your eyeshadow is done. So these are great if you want to put them in your purse and you need just like a quick thing. It's been a long day, do a touch up, whatever it may be. These are awesome, and it dries really quickly, but it's really pretty. And I like that it's not sticky or anything. It's just a very cream soft formula. Last item that we have in here is the Active Pureness Mask. It is a clay mask from Comfort Zone. Now this is definitely sample. It's only 8 ml of product, but this clay mask is supposed to mattify your skin. So I bet this will be great if you have like oily or combination skin like myself. It will help to mattify, dry everything out. That way you won't have like all the oiliness that I usually get. I don't know that I would use this product though if you have dry skin. What's nice is you are able to fill out a style quiz online, so they will tailor your choices and the items in your box for your skin. So I'm good with this product because it will definitely work for my skin type, but I don't think you'd probably want to use that if you do have dry skin. So these are the 5 products that I received in my first Birchbox with the whole new company, you guys. I feel like if you get this for $10, this is a steal of a deal. I really do. Especially because beauty has gone up so much in price lately that $10 for any of these products is a great price. But I do think you're getting decent amounts as well. They're not all super small. So that is one thing I'm going to keep an eye on with their products is how much they send. But for their first box, I think this is pretty good. But what do you guys think? Comment down below. Let me know what you think of Birchbox. If you would like to try them out now, you definitely can, like I said, with that 50% off code. I definitely want to keep trying them, seeing what it's like, because honestly, you guys, I'm fine with giving second chances and trying it out, because if somebody prior could not manage or run the business in the way that was best for the box, I'm fine letting that go, knowing this is a whole new team, that they're redoing everything. And if you look on the website, it's all very different from what it was before. So I'm happy to see that it is back, just because this is an OG box that I always loved before. And I like that they're doing things the right way. I like that it's with a company that I trust as well. But you guys give me your thoughts. We can discuss it all down below. Like I said, this video is a little bit longer just because I really wanted to be transparent up front and let you guys know everything that there is to know about this box. But going forward, I'm excited. I'm excited to see what they're gonna do. So until next time, beauties, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all in my next unboxing video. Bye.